So I've just been cleaning it with the toothbrush, and that oil has only been on there for maybe 3 or 4 minutes of that. I pretty much started. I was actually trying to clean this ridge here. So yeah, it's definitely varnish. Definitely varnish. But isn't that great? Look at all the dirt we got out of there. That's wonderful. Oh, cool. I didn't even realize there was a... Oh yeah, and there's an open area there too. So that's good. We're getting started on this messy stuff. The old 201K will be happier for it. Well, I'll be happier for it. You guys will be happier for it. Let's try one of these things. No, that varnish is in there a little bit. But anyway, I'm going to see if I can take this out. That's how I get bits of fluff in there when I go to the final cleanings or whatever. And we'll just put that there, put that there. What I ended up doing was I ended up taking a steel brush. I had some, you can see remnants of nail polish there. There, I just knocked some off the screw. That's from before. And what I did was, I couldn't remove it with a toothbrush and oil. What I ended up removing the nail polish with was a steel, it was a little wire brush, but it's steel brush. And it looks like that, right? Those are steel or stainless steel or whatever they are. Steel, I guess. And it will take everything off. I should use it right here, actually. You know, I should just go over the whole thing. You know, just spend a couple hours one afternoon and just go over the whole thing with that wire brush. This would come up really nice. Look at that, it's already coming up really nice. Wow. This is what I want to do for the rest of the day now if I can get it that clean, right? That'll be wonderful. But anyway, first, I want to get in here and do these gears. Do this gear. This this bevel hook gear. Now to get this gear off of there, I'm going to have to undo both those screws. That one and that one. But let me see how these gears are sitting. This is the driving shaft that drives the hook gear. So we're going to put 1, 2, 3. And I may only take one little swipe to see if I can get enough torque Yep. And so that's how you can see there as the nail polish goes back and forth, how we'll be able to line it up later. And I'm going to be gentle with those areas. I'm not going to be scratching around there with brushes and stuff, knocking the nail polish off. And this one's coming off now. Are you guys enjoying this? I am. I'm really looking forward to watch this gear come off after I take this screw out. Because that's what should happen, right? So there's the other screw. Put it there. I'm just going to gently get my screwdriver. And I'm not getting any. Well, I'm going to stop there for now, friends, because it's coming up over 11 minutes and this thing has a tendency to shut down. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like and all that stuff. And come on back. Love to hear about your machines, your projects, your hobbies. Ciao, amigos.